Hi all, are you a NATA JEE BARC 2022 aspirants? Do you have a plan of joining BARC in any of the colleges in India this year? Then this video is exclusively for you guys. Yes, IARC is conducting a lucky draw competition for the NATA JEE BARC 2022 aspirants. In the lucky draw competition, win pandra students, IARC is offering rupees 1 lakh rupees fee towards your first year architecture college. First year architecture college, you join pandra rupees 1 lakh IARC is offering you. In the lucky draw competition, you join pannu appadina keela irukra link neenga click panni unga details neenga register panikalam. Very few terms and conditions are there. Mudinja alavukku indha video ellathukkume share pannunga. Architecture padikkanum indha varsham neenga nenichirkingana NATA JEE paper to neenga edutha students irundha in the lucky draw competition la participate pannina you have a chance of winning rupees 1 lakh offering by the India's #1 NATA coaching center IR. Luck favors the brave. If you win, the luck favors you. Wishing you all the best, students.